Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use CapCut template from TikTok. So if you want to use some exact template, so for the sake of this video I'm just going to click CapCut templates, and I'm just going to search here for some templates to use for the sake of this video. Now you want to search for the template that we want to use. So for example, let's use maybe this one. And as you can see, there is a try this template button. So let's use, for example, this one. So you want to click on that. If you don't see this button, try this template, it may be that that exact video doesn't use that template, or the video was re-uploaded, or you can also try and reinstall the TikTok app, and basically it should work after that. Now we're gonna click on that button right here. And as you can see, you can use this template in CapCut with sound in the TikTok video. So you're gonna use this template and it's gonna open up your CapCut. Now you will click use that template and choose a video you want to edit. So I will try to do this one. And you're gonna click next. Now you can actually see how this video will look like with this template. You can also add sound in TikTok. Click right there at the top. And now we can share it. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.